Is it filming?
Yeah.
So when I'm going to get Overboard in VHS.
Just so that you can figure out what the one is behind it.
It's driving me nuts.
This has got all kinds of weird, random pregnancy test, poncho,
okay.
you know.
So $3.
Blind gloves.
B2. I've never gotten a VHS from a video or from a vending machine.
And you know, there's probably a good reason for that.
Why doesn't it work?
Spending $3 on VHS movie.
Oh, that's good. Probably is a good movie. Hold on. Hold on, it's not working for some reason.
Maybe it's self-pretend. Put it at $2.15.
Oh, there we go.
15 cents
No,
in?
I did not. So, okay, so B2, ready? B2. Let's fall.
Deuce Bigelow is the next one.
Check it out. Overboard. Classic. Nice. I have to give Deuce. Do you get?
Oh my gosh, no. Seriously, no.
It's not worth it?
No.
You sure?
It's new. It's new.
But it's Deuce.
It's new though. The
All right.
Overboards are old.
Okay, well I got Overboard.
You got. It's old.
All right.